Keep your Nespresso Gran Lattissima running smoothly with regular descaling. This quick maintenance process removes limescale buildup and helps ensure great coffee every time. How to descaling. When the descaling alert turns orange, lift and close the lever to eject any capsule, then empty the drip tray, used capsule container, cup support, and drop collector. Add 100 milliliters of Nespresso descaling solution to the water tank, then fill it with water up to the descaling mark. Attach the descaling pipe to the steam connector, replace the water tank, and place a container of at least 1 liter under the coffee outlet and the descaling pipe nozzle. Press the flat white button to start the descaling cycle. During this cycle, the solution flows through the coffee outlet, descaling pipe, and drip tray. Once the descaling cycle is complete, empty and rinse the removable parts, then fill the water tank with fresh water to the max level. Press the flat white button again to begin the rinse cycle. After rinsing is finished, the machine switches off automatically. Remove and store the descaling pipe carefully, as it may be hot. Finally, empty all containers, refill the water tank with fresh water, wipe the machine with a damp cloth, and your Nespresso Gran Lattissima is ready to use. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Nespresso Gran Lattissima. See you at the next one.